Welcome to the Language Lab. This is the cassette tape machine, specifically designed for use in the Language Lab at Concordia University. Before learning how to operate this cassette machine, let's have a look at the various parts and controls on the machine, and then we'll see how each one works. The red power light indicates when the machine is on. The black control button has 3 positions: stop, listen, and fast forward. The red button also has 3 positions: rewind, listen, and speak. The recap button, the master track volume control, the student track volume control, the call teacher button, the tape compartment for the cassette tape, and the tape counter. What are the 3 positions of the black button? Which button is used to set the machine to speak? How do you signal your teacher during the lesson? When do you set the tape counter? During which phase of the lesson is the recap button used? When you enter the Language Lab for your lesson, seat yourself at one of the booths, lower the tabletop, and put on the headphones, making sure the microphone is correctly positioned in front of your mouth. For the record phase, the cassette machine will be in teacher control, which means that your machine is controlled by your teacher from the main console. Now, before the lesson begins, set the red button to the speak position so that your voice will be recorded during the lesson. When you hear the lesson begin, look through the tape compartment window to make sure the tape is moving. If the tape wheels are not turning, signal your teacher with the Call Teacher button and explain the problem. When the lesson begins, it is useful to set the tape counter at 0 to help you locate a particular part of the lesson during the review phase. When the record phase of the lesson is complete, you can begin the next part of the lesson, the playback phase. The teacher will switch the machines to student control, which means that you operate the machine now yourself to revise your answers and make corrections. For the playback phase, set the red button to listen. Otherwise, all your answers will be erased. If you wish to change or correct an answer, depress the recap button momentarily to rewind the tape. Then, to record your new answer, set the red button to speak, the record mode. This will be easy to remember if you keep in mind the speak setting is used only when you record an answer. To pause a moment or two before answering, stop the tape with this setting before proceeding. Now, to check the new answer, be careful to set the red button to listen first before playback to avoid erasing your answer. Press recap and listen to your new answer. This fast-forward setting quickly advances the tape forward. And the rewind setting will rewind the tape to the beginning. At the end of the lesson, please return the headphones to their place on the side panel and leave the tabletop in the upright position. You are now ready to listen to the review tape, which will give you the chance to operate the cassette machine and apply what you have learned. Good luck!